Senator Amy Marcos underscored the importance of helping the country's farmers. The lawmaker is concerned about the possibility that food may be imported and no one will grow it locally in the future. According to Senator Marcos, more farmers are needed and they should earn more. The senator also emphasized supporting young farmers is a crucial aspect.
Sa mga marginal farmers, ating mga ngisda, yung maaasahan nilang sustento, yung subsidy o sweldo. Tulad ng ginagawa sa Japan, ginagawa sa Amerika, sa Europe. Dahil ang pagsasaka halos naging sugal. Yung mga kabataan, yung Young Farmers Challenge, meron na akong 3,000 na mga young farmers na sumapi dyan sa contest na yan. At digital and smart farming sila. Nag-umpisa na sila ng iba't ibang payment platforms, nagbebenta sila directly online. Kaya malaking bagay po to.